Okay, so let's go ahead and set up our environment. Okay, everything is basically set up, but we just need to make some changes right here in the hierarchy. First of all, what we will do is to scroll down here a little bit, okay, and then create an empty game object by the name of environment. And inside this environment we will add all of the things, but first of all let me click on that and then unpack completely. After that we have this all props, so just hold down the shift button and then the down arrow key and select all of these. Okay, and then click on prefab, unpack completely. Now as you can see they are unpacked completely. We have the environment structures, the post process, reflection, camera. Okay, so just select all of this, just leave the camera outside and just drag and drop them inside the environment. Okay, let's drag and drop that up there, and this is our camera, okay, which is right there. Let's just reset the transform of the camera and put the camera somewhere right here. That's it. Let's remove this script from this camera, and everything is all right and set up. Let's just actually now rename our scene. Let's rename this to something like TDM room. Click on reload. Okay, it is now changed to TDM room. You can name this whatever you want. So now our environment is set up. Now in the next video we will work on our player. So catch you guys in the next one.